This tutorial will cover printing a document, covering print commands and settings in which you can change and adjust to better accommodate your document.
Now that you know how to create a document and save a document, the next thing you'll need to know is how to print a document. I'm going to show you how to print a document and the printing options that are available to you. To print a document, you will go to File. And then you'll have the option to click Print. And then here are all of the settings and options that are available to you. Most often, if it's just a simple print job, you'll just click Print and it'll print the one piece of paper that you're needing. Sometimes though, you may have more complex jobs. Maybe you need more than one copy. To change the number of copies, you can just press the up or down arrows here to alter that. If you're in the work environment, you may even need to select which printer you want to send it to. At home, you probably just have the one printer and won't need to mess with that setting. You can choose if you want to print all pages, just the current page you're on, or if you want to do a custom print job. For instance, I just want pages 7 through 10. That way you don't have to print out all 100 pages of a document if you really just need a couple of those. You can even change the way that it prints, whether it's one-sided or two-sided. You can also select whether you want it collated or uncollated. So if you're doing a packet, sometimes it's easier to have it printed collated. So it'll print pages 1 through 10 in one packet versus it printing them out 100 pages of one, 100 pages of two, and then you having to create the packet yourself. Sometimes though you may want it that way, and so that would be uncollated. So it kind of gives you an example, 1, 2, 3 or 1, 1, 1. And then you've got your margins, and you can modify your margins here in the print section, especially if you're trying to, fit things on a page, or maybe you just don't like the way it looks. You can see what it would look like by looking in the preview. And all you have to do is kind of click on these and it will show you what the difference in margin looks like. You can even do custom margins. It'll bring up the dialog box and you can make those changes and adjust those as necessary. If you are doing a flyer, it may be nice to be able to do more than one on a page. So you can print, instead of one page per flyer, you could have one sheet of paper and have 4 flyers out of it. Just gives you some other options. Or maybe you're doing some type of book, you could do 2 pages per sheet as another option. Down here, it gives you how many pages we're looking at, and you can also zoom in and out of that preview screen. And last but not least, you can click Page Setup, and it will give you some other options, more advanced options. So if you don't see what you're looking for immediately, click Page Setup. Those options may be available to you as well. Now you've learned how to create, save, and print, and that is just some of the basics of getting started with Microsoft Word. We will get into additional details on formatting our documents.
Thank you for watching.